Hey guys, it's me Kayla, and I am back with another tutorial for you guys. And today's tutorial is part 1 of my DIY LPS collar / necklaces. And here's a preview of some items featured in this video. First up is the straw collar. And the materials you're going to be needing for that is straw of choice, and also optional is different things to decorate it with, such as rhinestones or glitter. So let's get started. And next up is the eraser / pencil grip collar. So the materials for this one that you're going to need is the pencil end eraser or a pencil grip. And last but not least, my favorite type of collar, the twist tie collar. So the materials you're going to be needing for this collar is, first off, flat twist ties. And you can find these at a supermarket in the produce section. If you wish to use a used twist tie, you need to prepare it by flattening and untwisting it. Next off is acrylic paint. Now this is optional. And I prefer to use acrylics because paints like nail polish can become very sticky. Also, acrylics dry fast and shouldn't stain your LPS like others would. Now, I do not recommend Sharpies because they will stain your LPS. Even if they are dry, I have had bad experiences with this. So please do not use permanent markers on your collars. Next is something to mold your collars to. This will be the diameter of your collar or how big and round it is. I like to use a round marker, and this will help you to shape and mold your collar. Next is another decorative option, which is glitter tape. Now you can cover your collar with any kind of tape, but if you're using a used twist tie, I recommend using tape. As you can see here, I have a collar covered in glitter tape. And using tape, you can also cover the front, back, and the sides of your collar. Don't forget that you can decorate your collar with rhinestones. And let's get started. And there you go, a few adorable collars for your LPS. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was simple and easy to understand, even though I'm randomly. You see what I tell you? Oh, here's a little preview of what's to come in part 2. So, be sure to come back and check out part 2 of my DIY LPS collars and necklaces. And I'm not sure when that's going to come out, so just subscribe and be sure that way you like know when I post it, because like I don't know when I'm going to post it, so I would tell you. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.